Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season. Lay foundation. Make a name for generations. Please and make a then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Nadulahair. Shout out to you, Nadula, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. The unit that I am rocking is there. Let me go. I can't actually go on the site because I don't see a link to it. But it is there. Nadula Highlight Brown Curly Lace Front Wig, Honey Blonde Highlight Wig, Ombre Wig, Human Hair, 150% density, TL 412 color. So that's the color of this unit. This unit does only come in 150% density, and if this is 150, then child. She thick, honey, okay? She thick. It also says that you can get this unit in either a 13x4, which is what I have on, or you can get it in a 13x5 by 0.5, which is a T-part unit. It comes in 14 to 24 inches, and if I'm not mistaken, yeah, they said that they were going to send me 24 inches. So that is what she has, honey. Okay, that is what she has on. So I don't know, because it literally only says on here curly. So I'm gonna say that it's kind of giving me Jerry Curly, but I could be wrong. Let me know down below what you guys think, what texture you think it is. But I will have it listed down below in the description box once the company sends me more information. Now, with this particular unit, I have had this unit on for about 3 days, y'all. I've had it on about 3 days, so I do have a little makeup in it or whatever, but honey, this lace just melted right on in, so shout out to them for that. I do want to say that in my opinion, this wig is big head friendly, but I do only have the head that is on my shoulder. So girl, do what you want to do with it. As far as shedding and tangling, it is a curly unit. So I did, when I brushed it out, I did get some shedding and there were some tangles, but it wasn't anything to write home about. So it wasn't that big of a deal to me. But I like to throw it out there so you can't say I didn't, because I told you, girl. Okay, I told you. Now, as far as tweezing and all that stuff with this unit, I did not do any other things. I literally only bleached the knots on this wig, and everything else, she just woke up like this, okay? So, yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons, as well as a full 360 and length check, then please continue to watch. Okay, so my con with this unit is my con that I always have when I'm dealing with a 13x4. It's a 13x4, girl, okay? 13x4s just don't give you as much room to do as much as you want to, so that is my con. And even with this style, I think you can still see some track. You see it? Like, that's the track right there. So I'm probably gonna have to try to fix that, child, before I get out here in these streets. But that is my one and only con with this unit. My pros with this unit is, first of all, I love the color. I love the texture. I love the hairline. I love the lace. Those are my pros, okay? Like, all of those are my pros. This hair is definitely serving me complete Beyonce vibes. So you know how you girl feel about Beyonce. If you don't know, then you should know, okay? Virgo gang gang. So yeah, those are my pros with this wig. Yes, I would definitely recommend this unit, and I would recommend it because, first of all, it's just giving complete summer vibes, okay? It is giving all of the summer vibes. And it is basically easy to install and easy to wear and upkeep. You know, you don't have to do a whole lot. Me and the kids are getting ready to go out of town for a while, and this is going to be my little vacay hair, okay? Because it's not something I'm going to have to do a whole lot to. So, yes, I personally would recommend this unit. All right, y'all, let's do this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind, I am 5'4", and this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you are feeling this unit. Let me know what your pros and cons are with this unit. I am interested in all of the things, honey. And once again, shout out to you, Nadula, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already, follow me on all my social media platforms. I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss D on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Got every style and